Hello everyone. Let's discuss about general exceptions under IPC. General exceptions under the IPC. In another landmark judgment, the Supreme Court criminalized sex with a minor wife aged between 15 and 18 years. The court overturned an exception in rape law which allowed a husband to have sex with his wife aged 15 years and above regardless of consent, including punishment. NGO Independent Thought filed a PIL in court which paved the way for this ruling, and this rule will be applicable even in the case of Muslim personal laws. Criminal law deals with such type of cases in India which are sorted in different sections depending upon their nature. Criminal law covers various punishments which vary from case to case, but it is not always necessary that a person get punished for a crime which he had committed. The Indian Penal Code 1860 recognizes defenses in Chapter 4 under general exception. 76-106 covers these defenses which are based on the presumption that a person is not liable for the crime committed. These defenses depend upon the circumstances prevailing at that point of time, mens rea of person, and responsibility of the action that accused. Object of Chapter 4. Every offense is not absolute. They have certain exceptions. When IPC was drafted, it was assumed that there were no exceptions in criminal cases, which were a major loophole. So the separate Chapter 4 was introduced by the makers of the code applicable to the entire concept. In short, the object of Chapter 4 includes exceptional circumstances in which an individual can escape liability, making code construction similar by removing the repetition of criminal exceptions. The burden of proof. Generally, prosecution has to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt against the accused. Before the enforcement of the Indian Evidence Act 1882, the prosecution had to prove that the case does not fall under any exception. Section 105 of Evidence Act shifted the burden on the claimant. But in exceptions, as per Section 105 of the Evidence Act, a claimant has to prove the existence of a general exception in crimes. That's all, guys. See you next time.